Vehicle sunroofs seem to be one of those luxury car features which some people love but don't think about much. However, if you are servicing vehicles from the Volkswagen Group with a panoramic roof system, you'll have to keep them in mind as they are a serviceable item that may cause water damage to the car if not maintained correctly. Volkswagen Group vehicles from about 2016 onwards appear to use a similar design of the panoramic roof system. There's a movable glass panel over the front seats and a fixed glass panel over the rear. There are drain holes to allow rainwater to drain to the ground, one in each corner. The front drain tubes run down the A-pillars to the plenum chamber or cowl at the base of the windscreen. The rear drain tubes run down the D-pillars to the rear wheel arches. At the end of these tubes are small flaps to allow water to drain out, but not let road grime or insects into the tube. The OE service schedules state that vehicles equipped with a sunroof or panoramic roofs should be checked for operation, cleaned and lubricate the guide rails, and clean the drains at every service. This is because if the drains block up, water may get past the seal between the panoramic roof system and the roof. Water could then run down the inside of the roof lining, allowing water into the wiring harness connectors, which may trigger various diagnostic trouble codes. Some in the trade might be tempted to blow out the drain holes with compressed air. This is not recommended, as it is highly likely you could blow the drain hoses off the fittings inside the vehicle, thereby causing the water entry issue that we are trying to prevent. For the procedure and special tools required to correctly maintain the panoramic roof drains on Volkswagen Group vehicles, see the January-February 2023 issue of Tech Talk, log on to VACC MotorTech, or call VACC's Tech Advisory Service.